Meaning of fly ball.
Fly ball.
Fly ball.
Fly ball.
Fly ball. In baseball, a fly ball refers to a hit ball that is hit high into the air and travels through the outfield. The ball is usually caught by an outfielder for an out, or it may land in the outfield and result in a hit or even a home run. Fly balls have a higher trajectory than ground balls or line drives, which gives outfielders more time to position themselves for the catch. A well-hit fly ball can be exciting for fans as they anticipate whether it will be caught or result in a hit.